Hi there. Are you looking to learn how to upload? To upload your photos, to upload logos, custom fonts, removing image background in Canva? Then this video is for you. Do not forget to start with your design. You can either click on create a design here, or you choose whatever format you want to use. At this other end here, you can click on more to be opened to different kinds of formats here: calls, documents, whiteboard, Facebook post, Instagram post, and all of that. So again, let's click on Instagram post and try with that. So now to upload your pictures, logos, and just anything whatsoever you want to upload, don't forget, before we continue with the uploading, try to watch the previous videos I made on Canva. We've done videos on introduction to Canva, editing and adding text and all of that. So try to see those videos so that you have a better understanding of what we are discussing here. So going straight to the point, to upload on Canva, you go to the left-hand side of the screen where you have design, elements, text, brand, upload, draw, and the rest of them. So you click on uploads. When you click on uploads, I'm having some pictures and videos here because I've uploaded them earlier. So if you are just starting or you want to upload a new file, whether it is a logo, a picture, whatever it is, that must have been stored or saved on your laptop or on your device, all you need to click is upload files. When you upload files, it's going to take you to your file manager straight away. Or if you're using the phone, it will take you to your gallery. Do you understand me? So it will take you to your file manager, then you locate wherever what you want to upload is, whether it's on downloads, on videos, on screenshots, wherever. Then when you click on it, let's say I want to upload this audio, for instance, then you click open. You click open. Then the moment you click open, it's going to automatically upload. Okay, let me say I want to upload this HO February. So you see it's uploading already here. Now, when it uploads and you want to use it, all you need to do is just click on whatever upload you want to use on your canvas. So you must have saved your logo, the picture, the audio, the video, whatever it is you want to upload. You must have saved it in your, on your system or on your device, right? You must have saved it on your system or on your device. Did I say you can upload a video? Of course, yes, you can upload a video. Now, does that mean that you can use Canva to edit a video? Definitely you can. We're definitely going to get there. So that is how we basically upload. Then the next thing we want to talk about is removing image background. The removing image background is a pro feature. As you can see, there is the crown sign beside this BG remover. That's the background remover. So now I am on Pro, so I can easily click on this BG remover. When I click on it, it's going to remove the background of the pictures of the picture I just uploaded. It's definitely going to remove the background of the picture I just uploaded. Do you see that? The background has been removed. So if I want to return the background, I need to do is just to press Ctrl Z on my keyboard to return the background. Yeah, you see, that has been restored. But if you are not on Zoom Pro, yeah, you're asking that question. What if I'm not on Zoom Pro? How do I remove my background? I want to give you a cheat, right? So go to another tab on your system, type in remove BG, then you get here, click on remove background from image for free. Do you understand me? So when you click on that, you can use this external app to remove the background of your picture. So you click on upload image. When you click on upload image, this will take you back to your file manager, right? Then you choose whatever picture you want to use, you click open. Once you do that, this is going to remove the background for you for free. Then you download the picture. That's the removed background picture. Then when you do that, when you download it, it will be saved on your system, right? Then you can now come back here and upload that picture whose background has been removed earlier. Do you understand me? It's either you're on Pro, on a Canva Pro to remove background of pictures, or you use an external app, which is background remover or remove BG. Then when you use that, you download the picture that you have removed the background on your device, then you upload it on the Canva app. Do you understand? So now we've treated two things: how to upload photos, logos, or pictures, video, audio, and all those stuff. Then secondly, we've talked about how to remove image backgrounds, right? Then the next thing we want to look at is using your brand kits. That is also on Pro feature. That is also on Pro feature. Look at it at the left-hand side here. You can see the crown on it using your brand kit. So that means you can add your brand logo here. You can set up your brand template. Your brand colors, they are here. You can edit that. Brand fonts, if you have any specific font for your brand, the brand voice, the brand photos, the brand graphics, the brand icons. You can actually set up your own brand here. So these are the three things I'm going to explain in this video, and I've just done justice to that. Do well to subscribe to this channel to get more videos to encourage us. And don't forget to click on the notification button to get updates on newly uploaded videos. See you guys in the next video.